I don't think people understand how easy family finances can be. Let's change that with Geni Finance. Meet Geni Finance, your all-in-one financial dashboard. Get your complete financial overview at a glance with our sleek dashboard. Track family bills, manage payments, and keep a history with ease. Set monthly spending limits and stick to them with our budget tool. Visualize your savings goals and watch your progress. Manage long-term savings effortlessly with term deposits. Keep an eye on your mortgage progress and convert currencies instantly, perfect for travel plans. Estimate taxes with zero stress and store important financial documents securely in our books feature. With transparent and flexible plans, there's something for everyone. Since switching to Geni Finance, I finally feel in control of our money. Join thousands of smart families. Simplify your finances with Geni Finance today. Visit Genifinance.com and take control of your family's future.